Your Lordship, I would like to make a mention regarding item 8 of the hearing list.
Yes.
The matter may be taken up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. Jonathan L. Silo, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, appellant, which is not opposed by, yes, APP. MS Vani, Learned APP for the state, relist after
3 weeks.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Daily list for motion, item 1.
Truck seizure. Why is the vehicle camped?
May I please, Your Lordship?
First time.
Yes, this is a similar matter with WP Criminal 4, which was disposed by an order 18/7/2025.
Yes,
Yes,
APP,
Yes, Your Lordship, this is a similar case.
can it be disposed of?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where are the orders? Orders.
Yes, I have.
Not that. In this, in your case, which is the order of the Special Code NDPS rejecting the Jimanama?
No, my lord.
No,
even,
no.
Even here, they didn't apply for the Zima application.
Then you first, then you approach. Why are you coming directly to this court? There is a
have-
provision. I will dispose it off with a direction that you apply before the special court, and they will dispose the same in accordance with law.
Yes, my lord. It may be given a direction to approach the lower court. We had earlier approached the CJM for disposal of the case, but our application was not entertained.
Where is that order?
But order was not passed.
Where have you said that?
Yes, let my a similar order may be passed with.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes,
please appreciate that merely saying that there is a similar order, please pass the similar order will not do. Every case has to be, the facts are different. You are the counsel, you are moving this motion. You must be aware of the facts of your case.
yes, my lord.
Yes or no?
Yes, my lord.
This is the minimum that has been expected from the bar. Repeatedly you are saying there is a similar order, there is a similar order. You are not even aware of the facts of your own case. When was your vehicle seized?
It is on
You want this court to read and then give a judgment. You will not even assist. I'll take it after some time. Read your brief till then. Yes, next matter.
Item 2.
Deprivation of solatium, first day I
Yes,
think.
Lordship,
I'll issue
100%.
notice then.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Heard MS Valentina, right?
No, H level survey.
So and so, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard anyone there for the state? Mr. Samuel, I think you are also, no. NHIDCL? Yes, so you are, huh?
5 and 6 months.
State, who's for state? Ms. Vani?
Yes, Your Lordship, yes.
Also heard MS Ms. Vani, Learned Counsel, Government Counsel, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
For respondent numbers?
1 and
1 and
2.
2.
1 and 2. And MS Sangpui, Learned
Respondent number
Counsel, for 4,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
For 4, Learned CGC, huh? And Mr. Samuel, so-and-so, Learned Additional Advocate General, and then give a
Standing counsel for NHIDC.
stroke, Standing Counsel, NHIDCL. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking, is seeking release of is seeking, don't say release, is seeking payment of solatium as per the revised 3G Part 3 within bracket NH06 within bracket single quotes as per NHIDCL requirement dated 10/10/2022. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. MS Vani so and so accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. MS Sankui learned CGC accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 4. Mr. Samuel, learned standing counsel NHIDCL accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 5 and 6.
Yes.
5 and 6. Yes, for 3,
For number 3, Lordship, we have to take steps.
extra copies within a period of 3 days
3
from
days.
today. And steps in respect of respondent number 3 by registered post AD within a period of 3 days from today.
Yes,
3
yes,
days
Your
from
Lordship.
today. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes,
Deeply
anything
obliged.
else?
For admission, item numbers 3 and 4.
Yes, what about instructions, petitioner?
Lordship, I've been requested by Mr. P.D. Nair that he could not appear today due to some personal difficulties. So if the matter be adjourned and fix it on 29th August, my lord.
As prayed by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P.D. Nair, learned counsel for the petitioners, which is not opposed by MS so-and-so, learned CGC.
Yes, my lord.
And MS, you are also there.
On behalf of Miss Linda.
So-and-so relist when?
29th August, my lord.
On such and such date.
Item 5.
Lordship, if I may make
Same.
similar prayer regarding
Same,
this.
right?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, 5 same, but respondent will be also Sankui. Okay. Same date.
Yes, my lord.
Item 6.
No, black, my lord.
You get that order. That- No, no, no. Yes, what about report for informant?
But, my lord, one submission, my lord.
Yes.
The criminal complaint we are challenging before has been dismissed, my lord.
Dismissed.
Yes, my lord, as withdrawn by the complainant.
So this is become infractious?
Yes, yes, my lord.
All
And
right.
the same may be withdrawn.
Heard Mr.
Dalram Thara.
So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS, yes, APP? APP, MS so-and-so, learned APP for the state respondent. Mr. So-and-so submits that since the complaint, which is the, since the complaint which has been challenged in the criminal petition has been already withdrawn, nothing survives for adjudication in the instant criminal petition, and accordingly on instruction seeks withdrawal of the same. Withdrawal or infractious?
Infractious, my lord.
Okay, stop, huh? Don't say withdrawal. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by learned counsel, made by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, the criminal petition stands dismissed on being infractious. Disposed of.
Item 7.
Yes, my lord. Same matter, my lord.
Same.
Yes.
This
And
also same order.
Yes, my lord, same complaint. He's
Same
the
com-
accused number
All
2.
right. Disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
Item 8.
Yes. What about service 3 and 4?
My lord, steps have been taken upon
Yes. What about?
respondent 3 and 4. However, ID card have not been
All right.
returned
Await
yet.
service in respect of respondent number 3 and 4. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, yes, are you going to file anything?
Yes, Your Lordship, we are seeking another 2 weeks' time.
State respond, in the meantime, MS so-and-so, appearing on behalf of
Respondent number 1 and 2.
respondent number 1 and 2, as prayed for, is allowed to file the file return on behalf of the state by the next date of listing. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
For orders, item 9.
I think this second appeal is ready for hearing, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, paper
So
book is
it can be,
received.
paper book is already submitted. You have received?
Yes, my
I have
lord.
received.
You also
Received.
received. It appears, one second, heard Miss MS,
Balil Thamwani.
so-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the appellant, stop, also heard Mr.
Raymond Lalbi exam.
So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent. It appears that the paper book has been prepared by the registry, and copy of the same has also been received by the learned counsels appearing for the parties. Matter is ready for hearing. Let the matter be posted for hearing when? In the usual course?
Yes, my
In the
lord.
usual course.
Item 10 and 11.
Yes, sole respondent, service. I don't think respondent service is complete.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Victor,
My
you are
lord.
appearing? Yes.
My lord, I'm going to file my power
All right.
on item number 10.
Very well. Heard Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel appearing for the appellant. Also heard MS Jasita, right?
Yes, the center zone.
Learned so-and-so, who submits that she has received instructions to appear on behalf of the sole respondent, and accordingly submits that she shall be filing her power within a week.
Yes, a week.
Within
my
a
lord.
week from today. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by MS Jasita so-and-so, service in respect of the sole respondent stands complete. Yes, this now has to be listed for what?
My lord, LCR has arrived and paper book is required.
It further appears that the trial court records as called for has also been arrived in original. Let a paper book has to be prepared.
Yes, my lord.
Let a paper book be prepared at the expense of the appellant. List after preparation of the paper book.
The interim order, my lord, it may be make absolute stay of the judgment.
There is already a stay.
Interim is there.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, regarding item number 11.
Yes.
In the last court that there is a submission. I filed my power on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, and it was reflected only for respondent number 1. Respondent number 2.
You have filed?
Yes, I filed my power for respondent number 1 and 2.
Okay. Here also you see, heard Mr. Victor so-and-so, heard Ms. MS Jasita so-and-so, for respondent number 1. First say for 1. You have already filed for 1 and 2.
Yes, for 1 and 2.
Today, when the matter is called, she, MS so-and-so, further submits that she has also entered appearance, she has filed power for in respect of respondent number 2 as well. In view of the aforesaid endorsement, service in respect of respondent number 2 also stands complete. Paper book is to be prepared here also. It's a different or same?
My lord, these two cases are disposing wide common judgment order.
So I think one paper book is good
Yes, my
enough.
lord.
List along with so-and-so.
And my lord, there is an IA in this case which is not listed in the court list. IA number 36 of 2025.
Then I'll do one thing. I will direct the IA to be listed in this, and that in the other matter, in the first matter, you say list after list on such and such date. Give a date.
My lord, that IA is for stay.
I know, but it's not listed today.
Maybe.
So we will take it up next week.
Yes, my lord.
When do you want it? Give a date. After a week, so that Ms. Jasita can also, in the meantime, file her power and all.
5th of August. 5th of August.
All right? Ma'am, 5th August?
Yes, my lord.
Give the same date in both the cases, and in the second case, also add that Mr. Victor so-and-so submits that the interlocutory application is not listed today, relist on such and such date along with the interlocutory application.
Much obliged.
Item 12.
Yes, Mr. Lalfagwala.
My lord, this is the first time the case has
First
been
time,
listed.
but
Now,
it looks like a very heavy file. Yes, what have you brought before this court?
I'm sorry that it has to be such a huge file, my lord.
No, why are you being sorry?
It's an
Yes.
appeal against acquittal, that is why.
Ah, so this is an interlocutory
Yes,
application?
there is a special leave to file an application, my lord, to file appeal.
The notice has to go
Yes,
first
my
time.
lord, my lord.
I think the notice will go in the IA first.
To the respondent, my lord.
In the IA
Yes,
first.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, isn't it? Heard Mr. C. Lalfaxwala, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Stop. By way of this application, under section 419J, 3 and 4 of the BNSS 2023, the applicant is seeking special leave to appeal, special leave or leave?
Special leave.
Special leave to appeal against the impugned judgment and order dated 5/3/2025 passed by the learned special judge, Prevention of Corruption Act Mizoram, Aizol, in SR within bracket PCA number 01 of 2020, registered under section, don't say
04,
registered.
my lord.
Under section 13(1) AB, read with 13(2) of PC Act 1988 and section 409, read with 120B IPC, whereby, the respondent was acquitted from the aforesaid charges. Issue notice, returnable
After 3 weeks.
4 weeks.
No.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Steps by registered post AD, list after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Item 1 for motion.
Yes. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, have
Yes.
you read it or not?
Yes, my lord.
Are you now ready?
Yes, my lord. In this matter, that 2 vehicles were seized by the Saitwal police personnel on 12/4.
1 second.
2025,
1 second, just
yes.
1 second, please. Yes.
Yes, 2 vehicles were seized
When?
on 12/4/2025 at 2 a.m. at the outskirts of Saitwal Road.
2 vehicles, right?
2 vehicles, yes. May I kindly bring you to page number 16 of my petition.
16.
Page 16 of my petition.
Yes.
In that letter, 2 vehicles, then 1 vehicle MZ01Z2012 is my vehicle.
Is
Then
your vehicle.
another vehicle, Ashok Leyland 1618, bearing number MZ04A0480, that is another vehicle. Then the owner of that vehicle had approached this court by filing WP criminal 4 of 2025.
Yes.
And the same was disposed on 18/7 of this.
That is which order? The one which you gave.
Yes, yes.
Oh, this is by this court yesterday. So this is connected to that case.
Yes.
Okay.
The reason why we had approached this.
No, that's all right. But you see, the moment you say similar,
Yes.
this court will not presume and assume everything.
Yes.
This court only knows the law.
Yes.
This court doesn't know the facts.
Yes.
You will have to tell me the facts,
Yes.
at least what, because I thought some order like yesterday you want, similar order.
Yes.
But that this comes from the same set of facts, that I wasn't aware.
Yes, madam.
Now, as far as you are concerned, since you have not approached the special judge, therefore I cannot simply allow it here. What I will do is, I will record all this and I will ask you to file an application before the special judge NDPS, who thereafter shall dispose of the same in accordance with law.
Yes.
I think that should be the correct order as far as this petition is concerned.
Yes, madam.
Because you have straight away come before the court, right?
Yes,
The power lies, there is a provision under which you can approach. Okay? Heard, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS Vani, learned APP, Mizoram for the state respondent. By way of this application under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India, comma, the petitioner is seeking release of the seized vehicle. What is the type of the vehicle?
Truck,
Truck.
white,
Huh?
truck, white, within bracket, white, bearing number MZ01J2012.
Just give that description. Huh?
Yes. Truck.
Bearing vehicle BR number MZ01J 2012. Comma, seized by the police personnel, I officer in charge, Saitwal police station.
Yes, madam.
Stop. It is the specific case of the petitioner that the subject vehicle of the writ petitioner has been wrongfully seized on 12/4/2025 along so and so by the jurisdictional police station, and no case has been registered.
Yes, madam.
Correct. This is your case.
Yes, madam.
Stop. Upon a pointed query being put, should I say that? Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Upon a pointed query being put to learned additional public prosecutor for the state respondent, MS Vani so and so, learned additional public prosecutor Mizoram, submitted that in connection with the second vehicle, which was also seized along with the subject vehicle of this case, comma, when in connection with a similar writ petition being WP criminal
4.
4 of 2025 on 18/7/2025, she submitted the instruction as received from the jurisdictional police station, from which it is seen that the vehicle, after being seized, was produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Aizawl, District Court, Aizawl. Stop. That being so, comma, appropriate application ought to have been filed before the learned jurisdictional magistrate court for release of the subject vehicle. In view of the aforesaid, this court is, in the interest of justice, deems appropriate to dispose of the instant writ petition by directing the petitioner to approach the appropriate court with an appropriate application, and upon such application being filed, the court shall consider the same in accordance with law, ordered accordingly. As such, in view of the aforesaid observation, the writ petition stands disposed of.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes, anyone there?
Hearing list, item 4.
None appears on behalf of the... Victor is there. Yes, Mr. Victor?
My lord, in this case, the
RFA.
my lord, direction was made on the last occasion to the State Council to obtain instruction, but that has not been furnished yet, and Mrs. Linda had appeared.
All right, then sometime, State.
Yes, Your Lordship. Since the matter was taken up by Mrs. Linda, if the matter may be listed after 2
All right,
weeks.
heard Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel, appearing for the appellant. MS Vani, learned so-and-so, appearing on behalf of the state respondent, submits that the instant RFA is being handled by Ms. Linda Learned, Additional Advocate General for the state respondent, and accordingly seeks posting of the hearing on any other date. On any other date. Prayer is not opposed. Relist, yes, after
2 weeks.
Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Yes, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Item 6.
This is also, I think, Ms. Linda is doing.
Item 12.
None appears for the appellant on call. Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 13.
None appears for the appellant on call. None appears for the appellant on call. MS Vani so and so is present. In the other also, you please mark appearance of MS Vani Learned for the state, APP. However, none appears for the legal aid counsel, stroke respondent. Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 14.
None appears for the appellant on call. Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry. Done? Where is that order of Mr. One second. Yes, Mr. Lalram, Baba, I have this order. Actually, there has been a mistake. I remember telling the steno to put a date, but instead of the date, it came as after 3 weeks, and I signed it. So what I'll do is, you get it listed by way of a supplementary list. I'll put a date, because all that now you need to do, Mr. Lalram Zwaba, is that from your office, you just intimate by way of a letter that as per the Supreme Court's order, the matter was remanded back for fresh hearing by giving due opportunity to all parties. Accordingly, the registry had sent notices to the learned counsels representing all the counsels, respondents. However, for this particular, what is it called? CADC, since there was no representation, notice was given to the executive, the postal receipts come back, and therefore this court on 21/7 gave you the liberty to intimate them, and accordingly you are informing them that they may appear through their counsel on the next date. Send that notice. If they appear, very well. If they don't appear and you can show that the notice has been given, we will proceed.
Since the CADC is now under suspension, the Deputy Commissioner Longtai is taking in charge of the administration.
So then you give it to him.
And Lordship, they have a representative here in the House. They have liaison officer in the Chakma Autonomous District Council House at Aizawl. I think if we serve copy to the LO of CADC House, I think will that be a sufficient notice? Because the officers kept on coming and going.
See, Mr. Lalram Zwaba, it is you who have arrayed them as a respondent, correct?
Yes.
Now, unless you file an application saying, bringing all this, and we make an amendment to the respondent and everything, it is difficult.
Right.
Because the order of the apex court is very clear.
That's true.
That the remand hearing is after giving due opportunity to all. Right now, this court is faced with a situation where one of the respondent, we don't know whether has been served or not, whether have been informed about.
We'll intimate, Lordship, we'll intimate the Deputy Commissioner Longtai all about this as a Lordship
So
has.
why don't you do one thing? You file an affidavit.
Right.
After, that in view of this, you wanted to take the thing, but the difficulty is this. And appropriately, you seek a direction from the court. Then the court has some materials to give some directions. Isn't it?
Right.
Don't you think that would be appropriate?
That'll be appropriate, Your Lordship,
Because I
particularly in view of the fact
I
that
don't want to be faced with a situation where tomorrow the order of this court has been looked as if we have not given the due opportunity
That's
which
true,
was
that's
required. That is all. You just have to simply satisfy that opportunity has been given, notices has been given, right? But the notice has to go to the respondent who you have arrayed. Now, if that particular person is not there, some problem is there, then those things has to come by way of an application. Will that not be appropriate?
And will that be, I mean, will it be required to serve copies of the bulky?
No, that you see, Mr. Lalram Zwava, if the person concerned, say for example the deputy commissioner, he comes before this court and he says, no, I do not have the papers. Then of course you will have to give him.
Yes, we'll give
right?
him. Yes.
But right now you simply secure the presence.
Yes.
You first have to secure the presence. So why don't you do that?
We'll do it.
This order you want. So you are going to take it by registered post or how?
We'll take a dusty service, Your Lordship. Because registered post, there is uncertainty in the registered post. And we'll not be able to submit our affidavit also. Earlier, Mr. A.K. Rokum was appearing on behalf of the...
Lalun Louis was there last time. You are there. All right, I'm just making a little change in the order.
Lots.
Heard Mr. Lalram Zwava, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by, yes?
Stephen.
Mr. Stephen. Lalbutsiha, right? Learned Counsel appearing for the appellant. Also heard M.S. Lalun Louis, Learned Government Counsel for the state respondent. Mr. Lalram Zwava, Learned so-and-so submits that though by order dated 21/7/2025, his office was allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent numbers 3, 4 and 5 by registered post with AD. However, in view of the facts, in addition to the above, he wishes to take service by way of dusty and accordingly seeks permission for the same. Is that okay?
And submission to the effect that since the CADC is under suspension and the whole administration...
He further submits that since CADC
yes.
Presently is under suspension and...
It is, the administration is run by the Deputy Commissioner.
And the administration is presently being run by...
Deputy Commissioner
by the Deputy Commissioner...
Longtlai.
Sorry?
Longtlai.
Longlai, Mizoram.
Yes.
In view of the aforesaid endorsement, he is allowed to serve the office of so-and-so by dusty as well. So you do that 3, 4, 5 as well as this.
Yes.
And on the next day we will see what happens. I think this is good enough.
Yes, yes. That's
Anything to be done, Anil?
I prefer to serve copy to the LO who is here in Aizawl instead of to Deputy Commissioner of
Deputy Commissioner does not have to be in person. Ms. Lalundri can accept.
No,
yes.
Deputy Commissioner having run the administration on behalf of all the CEM and Minister,
Anyway,
EM.
you take that, you first inform, let's see what happens. If there is some, and we will see.
All right, all right.
Okay. But Mr. Lalram Zwava, you please look into it. I think you will then have to make some amendment to your original appeal. And anyway, let this, we will see what happens next date.
All right.
Okay, so dusty service 3, 4, 5, yes or no? You need that as well or not?
We'll do dusty service, yes.